Hello students of class 7, welcome to the GK class. So students, today we are going to do chapter 14, colorful language. So all of you take out your book and follow page number 21. Page 21, chapter 14, colorful language. So today what we are going to do is we add some phrases and words to make the English language very colorful and beautiful. English language is obviously very beautiful, but some words and phrases make it very different, very colorful. So today we are going to do exactly the same. Okay? See number 1. Fill in the right color to complete the sentences. Okay? So we have to write here some words so that the English language can become more colorful. Okay? See. Seeing my new jacket, she turned dash with envy. Green. Write here green. B. My best friends cheered me up whenever I had the blues. I remember the day I got selected. It was a red letter day for me. She has been doing so well lately. She seems to have hit a purple patch. Purple. See, we are writing all the colors. How colorful it is, है ना? E. He always got into trouble and was considered the black sheep of the family. He appeared so healthy. His hospitalization came as a bolt from the blue. Our garden looks wonderful these days. The new gardener really has green fingers. I lost my job, but I set up my own business. You see, every cloud has a silver lining. I have given up junk food. I have a cheeseburger or pizza only once in a blue moon. J. She had to shut down the restaurant as customers were few and the business was in the red. Most projects take ages to complete because of the red tape in government departments. You can never guess the outcome of this thrilling novel. There are too many red herrings as the mystery unfolds. Tick the correct option. So you have to tick the correct phrase. Okay? Phrases. The puzzle is so easy. It's a piece of cake. Write here, piece of cake. B. If you are extremely nervous, your heart is in your mouth. A person who deceives others pulls wool over their eyes. If you take credit for someone's idea, you steal his thunder. When sportspersons retire, they are said to hang up their boots. If you start a conversation with someone you have not met before, you break the ice. Looking for something in the wrong place. You could be barking up the wrong tree. A person organization or country that is less powerful or dangerous than it appears to be is said to be a paper tiger. You deal with a problem when it becomes necessary, not before. In other words, you cross a bridge when you come to it. Okay? Now, see number 3. Many foreign words and phrases make the English language colorful. Fill in the appropriate word or phrase given below to complete the sentences. Okay? You have to select the answer from the options given above. Okay? My mother is a football dash, an ardent follower. The answer is aficionado. Right here. Where is aficionado? Okay, this is number 1. A. Next. He committed the dash of wearing shorts at the reception. Social blunder. Foxpaws. B. Dash, it appears that he is involved in the crime on initial evaluation. The answer is prima facie. C. She has written so many great books. Which is her dash? Greatest work of an artist or writer? The answer is magnum opus. D. E. When you visit India, a trip to the beautiful Taj Mahal is dash, required by custom. The answer is de rigueur. E. As I watched the team lost the match, I felt a sense of dash, as if it had occurred before. Deja vu. F. They formed dash committees for flood relief work. Something unplanned. Answer is ad hoc. G. After his arrest, he became dash at the club, an unwelcome person. Answer is persona non grata. H. Only dash members of the committee were allowed to vote in the elections. Genuine. Bona fide. I. As more people switch to credit cards, cash payment will soon be dash, outdated. Answer is passe. J. Number 4. Read the meanings, unscramble the clues and write the words and phrases. The existing state of affairs. It is known as status quo. Status quo. Q-U-O. Okay? A short audio or video clip or a catchy statement. Sound bite. Sound bite. A person who spends a lot of time watching TV. Couch potato. Couch potato. Photographers who chase famous people. Paparazzi. P-A-P-A-R-A-Z-Z-I. An awkward matter that people avoid. Hot potato. Hot potato. a person who breaks into others' computers. Hacker. H-A-C-K-E-R. Hacker. Last one. Illegally using or copying programs, books, videos, etc. Piracy. Piracy. Okay. So we have done this chapter also. That's all for today. Have a nice day all of you and take care.